Once upon a time, in the vibrant town of Meadowbrook, lived a cheerful and spirited girl named Priya. Unlike many of her friends, Priya was a bit heavier. This difference never bothered her, as she was loved by her family and friends for her kindness, wit, and unwavering optimism. Priya's passion was singing. Every morning, her melodious voice could be heard drifting from her bedroom window, enchanting the neighborhood with its sweet, soothing notes. However, despite her undeniable talent, Priya was shy about singing in public. The thought of people focusing on her appearance rather than her voice held her back. One day, Meadowbrook announced a grand singing competition. The winner would get the chance to perform at the prestigious Royal Theatre. Priya's friends and family urged her to participate, but doubt clouded her heart. What if they judge me for my size? She wondered aloud to her best friend, Maya. Maya, a feisty and supportive friend, looked Priya in the eye and said, "Your voice is a gift, Priya. Don't let fear steal it away. Believe in yourself as much as we believe in you." Encouraged by Maya's words, Priya decided to give it a try. As the day of the audition arrived, Priya felt a mixture of excitement and anxiety. The auditorium buzzed with contestants, each looking confident and polished. Priya took a deep breath, remembering her family's smiles and Maya's unwavering faith in her. When her name was called, Priya walked onto the stage. The lights felt blinding, and the audience seemed to be staring intently at her. Her hands trembled as she gripped the microphone. Then, she recalled the joy singing brought her, the pure happiness it spread. Closing her eyes, she began to sing. The first few notes were tentative, but as she continued, her voice grew stronger, filling the hall with its rich, warm tones. The audience, initially skeptical, was soon captivated by the sheer beauty of her performance. Priya lost herself in the music, her fears melting away. When she finished, there was a moment of stunned silence. Then, the auditorium erupted in applause. Priya opened her eyes to see the audience on their feet, clapping and cheering. Tears of joy welled up in her eyes. For the first time, she realized that her voice truly had the power to touch hearts, far beyond her own insecurities. The judges, deeply moved by her performance, unanimously advanced her to the next round. As Priya left the stage, she was surrounded by well-wishers and newfound admirers. Maya rushed up to her, hugging her tightly. "I knew you could do it," she exclaimed. Priya went on to compete in the finals, and her confidence grew with each performance. She didn't just win the competition, she won the hearts of Meadowbrook. Her story became a beacon of hope and courage, inspiring many to chase their dreams, no matter the obstacles. Priya's performance at the Royal Theatre was a resounding success, and she continued to sing, spreading joy and inspiration wherever she went. Her journey taught her that true beauty lies in the courage to be oneself, and that talent and passion can shine through any prejudice. And so, Priya's voice became a symbol of self-love and determination, reminding everyone that it's not the shape of one's body, but the strength of one's spirit that truly matters. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.